Modern life depends on chemicals that are essential for medicines, advanced materials, and everyday technologies. Yet, many of these chemicals are still produced from fossil resources through processes that consume significant energy and generate chemical waste. At IIT Roorkee, researchers are developing sustainable catalytic strategies that transform renewable resources into valuable chemicals for a greener future. The research team led by Professor Debasis Banerjee has developed a sustainable route to convert renewable biomass into specialty chemicals. This pioneering research has been published in Nature Communications, one of the world's top 1% scientific journals.
Renewable alcohols obtained from biomasses are abundant, inexpensive, and environmental friendly. So, however, the direct conversion into highly valuable olefins and conjugated dienes has remained a long-standing challenge in synthetic organic chemistry because the existing methods can often record precious metal-based catalysts, activated substrates, and multiple reaction steps. So, our objective was to develop a cleaner and more sustainable catalytic process for such transformation. We developed a nickel catalyzed strategy that directly converts renewable alcohols into valuable trisubstrate olefins and estro-defined 1,3-dienes. As you know, nickel is an earth-abundant catalyst, making this process both economical and sustainable for industrial applications. More importantly, the reaction produces water as the principal byproducts, again significantly reducing the chemical waste. One of the most exciting discoveries in this work was that simply changing the ligands can control the reaction pathway as well as the product selectivity. Using the same catalytic platform, we can selectively synthesize either trisubstrated olefins or conjugated 1,3-dienes. This provides a versatile and sustainable route to two important classes of molecules. These molecules serve as valuable building blocks for pharmaceuticals, natural products, and advanced functional materials. Our methodology also enables the late-stage functionalization of complex bioactive molecules, demonstrating its practical potential for sustainable molecular synthesis. This work reflects the dedicated efforts of my research group, particularly Adrija Ghosh and Purushottam, along with the valuable collaboration of Professor C.J. Lee from McGill University, Canada. We also gratefully acknowledge the support of the ANRF, MOE Stars, Government of India, Prime Minister Research Fellowship, and IIT Roorkee for providing the research funding and facilities that made this work possible. Thank you for your interest in our research.